Inventory Ahead is here to help systemize and automize your company. Let's take a look at how to reorder products from your suppliers in the system. Start by going to Products and selecting Inventory. On this page, you can see a listing of your products with a detailed breakdown of information on each. If you'd like more data, click on the SKU number, then on More Details and Charts for a deeper analysis of the product and its sales history. Going back to the inventory page, let's click to sort the listing by reorder. You can see how many pieces you currently have in inventory or Amazon inventory. When one of your products runs low, you'll see the system offer a suggestion for the amount to reorder based on the settings you have entered. Days of supply shows how long your current stock will last. Click Reorder. You can select multiple items. If you feel you need more or less than the suggested number, adjust to fit your needs. With the item selected, go ahead and click to finalize. You'll see the items grouped by suppliers. Click on the supplier and you'll see the number of pieces, cost, and other useful information. When you're ready, click Create New PO. Your reorder for these items is complete. Repeat for each supplier. You can choose to brand a new PO or add it to an existing PO. When you're done, click on the purchasing page to see all your purchase orders.